Hi, I'm Frog, and I would like to tell you about the VR Mystery School. VR Mystery School is the place to be in virtual reality for all things relating to personal development, spirituality, and mysticism. It's accessible to Windows users with or without VR headset through the vrchat application. The VR space is always developing and full of 2D and 3D art, facilities, and interactive features, like a library with over 300 critically acclaimed titles in more than 35 relevant categories. Divination sets with information provided for study or practical use, and other interactive resources to engage a variety of topics, alone or with friends. This VR space is also used to host activities open to anyone over the age of 18, such as book clubs, meditation lessons and group practice in a variety of Buddhist styles, and presentations by enthusiastic community members, authors, experts, and other guest speakers. Activities at VRM have an emphasis on mutual respect and the joy of sharing. This is key to a meaningful and pleasant experience for everyone involved. What can be uploaded and streamed will be, but to respect the privacy and comfort of our participants, not everything will be shared on the YouTube channel. If you don't want to miss anything, join us in virtual reality. Those interested in a community experience can join the weekly Hangouts, the perfect opportunity to meet people with similar interests and chat about the joys, challenges, questions, and insights of your personal practice. Our Discord chat server is used to stay in touch outside of VR. Here the community arranges meetups in the VR space, outside of the scheduled times. If you don't use Discord, visit the website at vrmystery.school, where you can find the Google Calendar or sign up for the news mailing list. Much more is possible in terms of new features, more activities, YouTube and other content, and even entirely new VR spaces, but not without your help. If you would like to contribute by donating or as a volunteer, you can find more info about this at vrmystery.school/support. I appreciate your consideration. Thanks for your time. I'm looking forward to meeting you at VR Mystery School. Be well.